Have you ever stopped to think about how important your ears are? Not only do they let you hear your favorite songs, but they also help you keep your balance when you're running, jumping, or even just standing still. Your ears are pretty incredible, aren't they? But what happens when they don't work the way they're supposed to? That's where audiologists come in. These amazing healthcare professionals help people hear better and stay balanced. April is a great time to celebrate these hearing superheroes and learn about the importance of taking care of your ears. What do audiologists do? Audiologists are experts who specialize in helping people with hearing and balance problems. They diagnose and treat a variety of conditions such as hearing loss, dizziness, or even ringing in the ears, known as tinnitus. Their job is to help people hear better, feel more balanced, and live healthier lives. Audiologists can do all kinds of things, from providing hearing aids to helping people with balance issues, and even offering hearing protection to keep ears safe from future damage. Did you know that about 15% of adults in the US, that's about 37.5 million people, have trouble hearing? That's a lot of people. And even though hearing loss is something that happens more as you get older, anyone, young or old, can experience hearing problems. That's why it's important to get regular hearing checkups, especially if you start to notice any trouble hearing. Why is hearing health important? You might not realize it, but your hearing is connected to so many parts of your life. When you hear well, you can enjoy conversations, music, and even nature's sounds like birds chirping. But hearing loss can make life harder in many ways. If you don't get treatment for hearing loss, it can cause problems like trouble understanding speech, difficulty focusing at school or work, feeling isolated or lonely, higher chances of depression or anxiety, problems with balance leading to falls, and even a greater risk of cognitive decline or memory loss. Luckily, hearing aids and other treatments can help people with hearing loss avoid these problems. Audiologists work with patients to figure out what's causing the hearing issues and how to best treat them. How do audiologists help? So what exactly does an audiologist do when you visit them? Well, they first do a hearing test, which checks how well you can hear different sounds. Based on the results, they might recommend treatments like hearing aids or other solutions to improve your hearing. But audiologists don't just help with hearing, they also take care of balance problems. If you've ever felt dizzy or like you might fall over, an audiologist can help find out if it's related to your inner ear. Audiologists are also experts in hearing protection. They can help you avoid noise-induced hearing loss by recommending earplugs or other hearing protection if you are going to be around loud noises, like at a concert or when using power tools. After all, hearing loss from loud noises is something that can happen gradually, but it's permanent once it occurs. Tips for healthy hearing habits. Hearing loss is something we want to avoid, and there are some simple habits you can practice to keep your ears in tip-top shape. Let's go over 3 important tips for healthy hearing. Tip 1. Exercise for your ears. Did you know that exercising is good for your ears? Yes, it's true. Cardio exercises like walking, running, or cycling are great for your overall health, and they also help the blood flow to your ears. Good blood circulation helps keep the delicate parts inside your ear healthy, so your hearing stays sharp. So don't forget to get moving and keep those ears active. Tip 2. Ditch the cotton swabs. You've probably seen people using cotton swabs to clean their ears, but that's not always the best idea. When you use cotton swabs, you might accidentally push earwax deeper into your ear, which can cause a blockage. Over time, this can lead to ear infections or even damage your ear canal or eardrum. It's much better to leave ear cleaning to your body, as it naturally pushes out excess wax. If you think your ears are too waxy, it's best to visit an audiologist instead of using cotton swabs. Tip 3. Quick fixes for hearing aids. If you or someone in your family uses hearing aids, it's important to take care of them. Sometimes they might need a little fixing to make sure they work properly. Here are a few quick fixes to try if your hearing aid isn't working right. 1. Replace the battery. It might just be time for a fresh one. 2. Remove and reinsert the hearing aid. Sometimes a simple reset is all it needs. 3. Clean your hearing aid. Dirt or earwax might be blocking the sound. 4. Replace the wax filter. Make sure the filter isn't clogged. 5. Open and close the battery compartment. Check if it's properly sealed. 6. Check your input settings. Make sure everything is set to the right mode. Keeping your hearing aids in good shape will help you hear the world around you clearly. What happens if hearing loss goes untreated? Now that we know how to keep our hearing healthy, it's important to understand what could happen if we don't take care of our ears. When hearing loss isn't treated, it can lead to many other problems. Here are a few reasons why you shouldn't ignore hearing loss. Trouble at school or work? It can be hard to focus when you can't hear well, and this can affect your performance. Difficulty communicating. If you have trouble understanding others, it can lead to frustration and confusion. Social isolation. People with untreated hearing loss may feel left out of conversations, which can make them avoid social situations. Emotional health. Hearing loss can make people feel anxious, depressed, or stressed. Falls and balance issues. Hearing loss can affect your balance, which increases the chance of falling. Memory and thinking problems. Research shows that untreated hearing loss can lead to issues with memory and concentration. The good news is that hearing aids and other treatments can help you avoid all these problems. So if you ever feel like you're having trouble hearing or following conversations, don't wait too long to see an audiologist. Things that can damage your hearing. You might think of loud concerts or construction sites as the main causes of hearing damage, but there are some everyday things that can harm your hearing too. Let's take a look at some of them. Loud household noises. Appliances like blenders, hair dryers, and vacuums can create loud noises that hurt your hearing over time. If you're using these appliances often, try to use ear protection when you can. Personal audio devices. Many of us love to listen to music with headphones, but playing music too loudly can damage your hearing. Follow the 60-60 rule. Keep your volume at no more than 60% for no longer than 60 minutes at a time to protect your ears. Certain medications. Some medications, like antibiotics or chemotherapy drugs, can cause hearing problems. Always ask your doctor if any medicine you take could affect your hearing. Smoking can reduce blood flow to your ears, which could lead to hearing loss. Quitting smoking can help protect your hearing. Headphones during air travel. Airplanes are noisy, and people often turn up their music to drown out the sound. Instead, use noise-canceling headphones to reduce outside noise without cranking up the volume. By making small changes to your routine, you can protect your hearing for years to come. Conclusion: be an ear hero. Audiologists are heroes who help protect our hearing and balance, and it's important to take care of our ears every day. Whether you're practicing healthy hearing habits, protecting your ears from loud noises, or treating hearing problems early, you're doing your part to stay connected to the world around you. Remember, your ears are special, and by protecting them, you're making sure you'll be able to hear your favorite songs, laugh with friends, and enjoy everything life has to offer for many years to come. So, talk to an audiologist if you ever notice trouble hearing, and encourage your family and friends to take care of their hearing too. Let's all work together to keep our ears healthy and our hearing sharp. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.